Hola chicas, welcome to a Walmart haul. I am so excited to show you everything that I found because spring and summer always has the most fun accessories. So I have a few clothing items, mostly shoes, which I absolutely love. And let me just say that Walmart is that girl. We're gonna start off with shoes. The first brand that I'm gonna show you guys is called No Boundaries. No Boundaries is really like for that young adult, very youthful, playful, lots of colors, lots of charms and patterns, and it's just a really fun and youthful, playful brand. So a lot of the shoes that I ended up getting have that kind of playfulness to them. So let's begin with these super comfortable red shoes. They also have them in different colors, but I got them in red because I want to experiment by adding a lot more color to my outfit. And I feel like accessories is the perfect thing to make your outfit more playful and to encourage you to dress up and have fun with fashion and not take it so seriously. So I got these red shoes. They look absolutely stunning on and they're comfortable. I love the pop of red. I love kind of like the netting feel of it. I can picture myself with a white flowy linen dress and just a pop of red shoes and lots of gold accessories. It's definitely a way that I would wear these, also with shorts and denim and a button up. So many different ways to add some playfulness, and these are very on trend. Now, keeping up with the theme, so my next pair of shoes, these are No Boundaries as well, and these are actually on sale. So if you love a pink shoe with lots of charms, and this one again has that kind of netting feel to it, but the material is obviously a little bit more stretchy here. I love the ocean, so you have coral reef and starfish and pearls, and it's just a fun pink, very comfortable flat sandal. Flats are very trendy right now, and as a girl who's 4 feet 9 inches, I kind of went through a period where I didn't want to wear any flats, but I think I was just kind of like, I needed updated flats, you know? And so I found these in this beautiful shade of green. It has this gorgeous crisscross plaid pattern. They also have them in red. I did want to get the red ones because I just feel like it's more of like that picnic classic look, but they were sold out. So I ended up getting the green since I don't normally reach for green shoes. I wanted to experiment and have some fun with that. Oh my gosh, ladies, these have been so popular right now. Not only the style of like a thong sandal with a kitten heel, it looks so sexy in my opinion because it just really shows your toes. It elongates your legs. As someone who's super petite, you are really gonna love these. I love the little kitten heel, to be honest. I know some girls, some women don't really love a kitten heel because it's just too, like, it's not a high heel. But I am loving a kitten heel because you can wear a comfortable shoe and just have that little umph, you know what I mean? It just even a tiny little heel can just make the biggest difference in confidence when it comes to rocking just like a flat and a kitten heel. So I am a big fan of a kitten heel. All of the it girls are, which you guys, all of you are it girls. We're all it girls. The trend here is wearing them with like capri pants and like a windbreaker. So definitely try that out. I am getting some capri pants delivered. And this is the color silver that I ended up getting. And I really love them because they are very neutral. You know, it's like a clear sandal. So they go with lots of outfits. I wore these to my son's birthday party, and I also wore them to church with like biker shorts. So they're really versatile. And I also really love the color baby blue. They're just so beautiful, so comfortable. And I just love when you have like a good pedicure and you throw on a nice like thong sandal with the kitten heel. I'm all for it. So these are definitely my favorite. Coming up next, this is for all of my petite ladies. I found these gorgeous brown, see-through, kind of clear, plasticky wedge sandal. I absolutely love these in brown. And this is for all of my girlies who are extra petite and you want that height, but you also want to be comfortable. Definitely check these out. They are so stunning, so gorgeous. I love the simplicity and they just elevate any outfit for spring, summer. You just want to get a little, I don't know, have a little bit more confidence. Definitely check these out. Now, the last pair of shoes from No Boundaries are just some simple flip-flops. I have to say that my favorite brand, I'm actually wearing them right now. These are Havanas. They are so old, guys. I've been using these for like a year almost. Havanas is definitely like my favorite brand for flip-flops because they last a really long time. So these are a little bit more, I don't know, obviously the quality is not as high as like the Havana sandals, but for my brand Sweet Soul, you guys know it's baby blue, seashells, ocean. I saw these, I had to have them. I absolutely love them, and it's just a nice little inexpensive sandal to just kind of throw around while you go to the beach, you go to the lake, or whatever you want to do in these hot summer, spring days. I don't like to box myself into fashion. I love to have, like, I just love to experiment and try many different things. So I wouldn't say I have like this one specific style, but like some days I feel like I just want to be a classy lady. Some days I want to be minimal. Some days I just want to be super bold. It all depends on what I want to wear because I just don't like to box myself up. Let's go into Free Assembly. I didn't get any clothes from Free Assembly, so these are also just going to be their accessories. Okay, so next up, Free Assembly, we have these gorgeous black sandals with black pearls. A little bit more classy, but still very fun. I can picture myself wearing these with denim, with shorts, with dresses, so many different things. And they're so pretty, and they're black and pearls, timeless. The next ones are also from Free Assembly. I wanted to have some fun with the color green, and I thought these were so interesting. You can see that the trend of having like this woven pattern all throughout the different sandals. So like with Free Assembly, we have this, we have like this kind of like plasticky material, also woven. This is more of a softer fabric, and I got it in the color green. They also lace up all the way to the top, and you just kind of slip them on. It's a flat sandal, and it's just a really beautiful sandal. I always envision myself with white dresses or denim whenever I have like a colorful sandal, and then I sometimes like to match my bag to my shoes. And then the last pair of shoes that I wanted to show you guys are from the brand Scoop, which is also one of my favorite brands there. I love their fashion, their clothing. I've been buying it for years, so I did get a few pieces that I'm going to show you today, but these are just some very classy white peep toe mesh short little like 2-inch heel shoe. I love these for church, which is why I actually got them, and they're super comfortable. So I actually wore these already. But again, a dress, denim, anything, you can make it work. Just use your imagination and have fun. But I just love the little bit more of a classy little peep toe. I did end up getting some really fun handbags and totes for the summer. I found this one from No Boundaries, which again is that playful, youthful brand, and they have one with the lobster. I've been seeing the lobster everywhere, and this is more for my playful little girl child inside that loves fashion. And I actually got it with the matching visor, which so cute. So I absolutely love this little visor, guys. It's so adorable. I love it. I would wear it like all white. I'm always like thinking of a white dress with a handkerchief right here, like a bandana, very beautiful. So I love this little set, very, very fun. Another bag, I actually already used this one. I took it to the lake and to the pool. So this is a bag, really big tote bag from No Boundaries. And I just love the sun. It says the sol. I love the sun. I'm a summer baby, and it's just so huge. It fits so many different things in here, guys. I love the colors. And yeah, so it's lined inside. It just fits a lot of things. So it's just a really great bag to take to the pool, to take to a splash pad, or wherever you guys go during the summer days. And then I also did get another tote, guys. This one is a little bit more neutral. I love the little shells here. This one is actually by Time and True, which is another great brand there at Walmart that I really love. And it's also just a really huge tote, perfect for the beach, vacation. Moving on, we're gonna do clothing. I only have a few pieces of clothing that I wanted to show you guys. Starting off with some really fun shorts that I got from the Scoop and Devil Wears Prada 2 collection. And so I ended up getting these lace shorts, which are also very much in style. I have to say that the person that brought these back in style is definitely my girl, A. Marie. She's on tour, or she was on tour with B2K, and that's kind of like been her look. She's been rocking the windbreakers with these really fun type of lace shorts and some killer legs with some heels. I mean, she looks stunning. And so I started seeing her wearing these. I'm like, oh my gosh, I need to find something like that because they just look so amazing on her. So to see that the Devil Wears Prada and Scoop collaborated and came out with a collection of some of these type of shorts, they're just really comfortable and I love how flowy they are. I do have to say they run a size too big, so even though I got a small 4-6, I would definitely go a size down even with the dresses or anything else, just for that collection specifically. So I got them in baby blue, and then I also got them in this really fun yellow. So these are just so fun. And then from the Devil Wears Prada and Scoop, I ended up getting this coat, which you can't really see on here. I feel like it's really washed out, but it's a blush pink color, and this one I did get in the right size. It's kind of like a trench coat feel to it. They have it also in the shade of blue. This is such a great kind of layering piece, and I love to wear it open or closed, and it's just such a fun little trench and a beautiful, very feminine, soft pink color. And then last but not least is the dress that I'm wearing. This one is also from Scoop, and it's just a beautiful, very feminine floral dress. I love the detail here. I feel like it's very flattering on the chest. It has these little straps that you can just adjust and tie it up so it can really fit you. It zips up through the back, and then it has like the stretchy fabric in the back, so it's really like forgiving. It has a few seams here, so it adds some structure to the waist, and I just really love the color. I think it's just so gorgeous and beautiful and feminine. And so that's it, my beautiful ladies. I hope you guys enjoyed some of the things that I picked up here at Walmart. There's a few collections that are launching right now, and I'm super excited to kind of go in and share with you guys some new things. So if you enjoy this fashion content, let me know. I have some stuff already posted on my Instagram of outfits that I've been wearing. I've also been doing a little bit of shopping at Zara, and so I've posted some of my hauls on Instagram if you guys are interested to see what I've been kind of shopping for. So thank you so much for stopping by and checking out today's video. I love you. Have a blessed and beautiful day, and I can't wait to see you in our next video. Bye.